The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Rhonda Pottinger.
I feel from Uno. It's a good thing, you know?
What? iPhone? iPhone, yeah.
Wow, look at how beautiful this is, bro. So we're in Old Harbor, right?
Yeah.
This is Old Harbor. The weather is nice, guys. The vibe is good. We're hanging out with good people. We had some beetroot, and I had a coconut water thing. And we interviewed a guy with the fish. Now this entrance here, is it a dining place? Okay. It's a drive-through. Wow. Jamaica, this is Old Harbor. It's just nice. You know what I say? The breeze just a blow. You know what I say? And we go Africa, man, and Jamaica are the nicest place in the world. Hey, anytime you see a nice coconut, man, you know, chopping, we don't can get some. We know we're not gonna get the bigger one, you know. We know most you know the spot. I don't know a special spot for coconut. We want to go to the corner.
Not too far from Chicago.
Yeah? So everything, we want to keep it local.
We support that, as you know.
So why you not married to the lady?
Oh, me? To my girl?
Yeah.
It's in a process, man. You know, half the list no, you know.
I know why you not married.
I mean, I'm alright.
Yeah.
Boy, with my pop card in it.
My princess. So.
I'm single.
I'm a princess. I can't let out that respect you see me, understand? Yeah, man, yeah. Sorry about that.
Your sister is a servant? Where she living?
I'm never seen this. Yeah,
She married?
yes.
Wow, you're lucky. Well, I need a doctor. So yeah, someone family nice.
My family nice. Grandmother, teacher. Mother, live abroad.
So I've got to introduce me to them, man.
Yes, man, definitely. Daddy a gangster. Oh no.
So now hear the thing. Tomorrow at 3 a.m. in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning, we're up on the road. I'm sure you said the man start the cookout trouble. Listen, eh? Yeah, man. Cause I know cooking I go on now, can't film none of that. But more soon in the neighborhood, because I want to go down now and kind of get the tour local and get some coconut and get some fish and wax off some fish. And callaloo and okra. You see me? So which one are the greatest cook?
What are we doing, Pat?
Chubby tell me say him are the boss, you know, Chubby Ross.
You saw me a basket? Alright. Saw me a basket. I thought me the chop, man. Yeah.
The pineapple sweet. Chubby, take care of them. Take care, right? Yeah, man. Wow, it's sweet, man. I want you know you have one finish. Do you have a finished one? You go peel it for me. Then me no can take that and you can peel another one for you. She's pretty and strong.
Make sure say sweet.
Where you come from? Where you come from? You look like warrior, I know. Where you come from? She don't take that? Yeah, man. Alright, hold on. No, give it. How much for the gas? How much?
4,900.
How much you have? 4,000 for you? Pineapple, you have 4,000 for you? I'll give you some American dollars. I'll change something for me. You hear me, sir? What do you mean you can't change yours? Going out of the building, Chubby. Take care of it.
Yo, me qualify for it.
Where's the man?
You see?
Come on, come give me a piece of chicken, man. Come, hey, come here. Here's some people. Cool red stripe me need. Yes, I.
One of them gun there for you.
You see that?
Yeah, it's much better for 5 days.
Ladies, I must sell her this.
Yeah, man, give
200.
200.
Okay, you
Let me
come
move it,
and
yeah.
come on, give me a second.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Here, seat there. Yes, 2,000. Make sure it's a red stripe me need when you come back. Cool, a cool red stripe me need. Them say me must check you. Me need a cool. Yeah.
You need that quarter stripe.
Yes, sir.
Need.
Cause
Need.
my blood pressure high and the cool red stripe with the blood pressure low.
No. It
Yes.
puts up the blood pressure.
No, my one different. It work
And
opposite.
every time I see it, the pressure low and you want to push it up.
Yeah.
But the eye.
So you, hey, sir, me need a cool red stripe.
Yo, the one them full of talking.
Nobody not get me my cool red stripe.
Yo, the man say, yo, if he say, one man say, yo, the whole of them fine. Next man say, yo, you need it.
But here, this demonstrates to the world, Chubby, how Jamaican people nice.
Friendly.
Then look how I don't know these people, right? And I'm
Every single one of
teaching.
them
I'm
stuff.
teaching the people. Say, look, that's how you deal. You know, there's the bike man. Nobody not thief him bicycle. in a Brooklyn, don't bother. In a Brooklyn, don't leave your bicycle out like that, you know. You see? There's the king right there, sir. A bad man, that's, you know. Bad good man. Yeah, man, yeah, man, with you see how the thing go work fast.
Yes, sir.
Now, no time. Nice lady, when I cup of soup that? Tea. What kind of tea? Come like mint tea now? Okay.
Oh, no, we want to make a mint. If you that minty with that tea, you out of your No, me say if I did minty, you have me that tea out of your hand.
You ask for that, I'm giving you.
And then there's something me that just take it.
See? She would have given you, my lad.
Then you have to take it.
This has been an adventure.
Yeah.
You know? What I'm learning with you guys, you smoke so much weed sometimes you forget where the gas station is.
Yeah. Always listen.
Smoke it in the gas station.
So now, one of us gets an herb from... So we pay the lady for the thing? For the pineapple?
Yeah.
Alright, good. When we pass and say bye to her, we have to be friendly. Pineapple weird. I love you. Yeah, pineapple. See you later. Take care.
Pretty girl. Take care of yourself to this lady,
Yes, Jamaica, see that? May I tell you, right in a little community there, you know how much friends we make a while ago? With them, you know how much people we talk to and them friendly? May I show Jamaicans and people of the world, that's how you live. You see somebody pass, give me a beer now, and then them talk to you. You want a beer? You don't say the word them out in the bush. This is Jamaica. Put on your seatbelt.
There's so much ganja. All the feedback.
You guys want a piece of the pineapple?
Yeah, man, take a piece.
Pineapple.
You have it?
You like pineapple, Chubby? Okay. It's sweet, right?
Yes, man.
So this is kind of like what them have in Africa, in Bridging Tender.
I know we are there saying you inspire a black culture.
Okay.
Yeah, and you inspire. Yo, we go there and start black culture. We say, yo, can you go black culture? Right, Obi?
Pineapple are really nice. Like it's in a town all over now. Across the town.
And they eat a pineapple right now. And $2 will pay for the pineapple. 2 bills. Sweet.
Nice.
See there. What's the what? So not getting the weed locally gonna plant it to yourself or?
So yeah, plant and we buy. Plant and buy.
How you compare your thing from the west? In an orange hill.
We don't really found them to say look at this. We don't really know nobody done that. It's high really. And you connect it, that's where we know. Yeah. So you go. Live.
And I'm going to introduce you to some orange hill. Jamaican just gas and
Long life. Long life and good health.
Yeah.
Yeah. First what? So you put them for? Jump on a minibus, man. And we tell no man, we carry park on my yard. And we jump on a minibus and a Portland. Because things that we are going to drive and sick, we are going to miss. When you live on the minibus, you move to see. You have to pay too much attention to the whole day in front of your drive and then sit. Sometimes you miss all of the signal. Yeah, man. Miss, eh? At gas station. You have to miss at gas station.
On the minibus, you know, miss the gas station.
Yeah.
Every trip does that.
The machine nice.
Brand new machine.
Sewing machine.
What's that jumping? This is Jamaica Good Life with Rhonda. We talk about beet with some ginger in your throat. We talk about sweet pineapple for 2 bills.
Good for you, you know.
And me tell you, say, jerk chicken, we done that already. Get to festival already. And I cut that one out of the plastic. I go reach a mandeville and get the real coconut. And then I get the real fish.
No man. No man, when you reach that Jamaica, you get everything we read.
Yeah.
We run at me reach that Jamaica because we support everybody, as we say. So guess what, when you land at Jamaica, you get everything we want.
Really?
Every section have its own favorites.
Yes, sir.
If you understand. Yes, sir.
Wow. Love the vibe. From this end, it's a beautiful journey. From this end, you know, because
Yeah, look at this side.
you see, my whole perception of this area has changed, you know.
Super everybody side.
I am not.
Bless up.
So why am I cook?
No, you know, don't let it just have to be
Don't
this
need-
way. But it's all over town, you know.
Yeah, all about town.
You want to go through the town?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because hear the music, man. I mean, come on, guys. If you want to play the music and just chill and relax, little Genie. I long time I hear them tune the dog and run across the road and go like them about dog. But dog, go home. Yes.
That's already. This one I think we might pass it.
Everything. I smell something like beef patty. So what your favorite food, Ian? I see. So this is all about the city, the town. More pineapple, them nice and short. So what the market name? Ulaba Market. Colors are beautiful. Jamaica.
Somewhat Jamaica.
Okay. Smell some soup. We're through Ulaba right now. Nice. Thank you for taking me here. Yeah, I know, so I'm quiet when I'm up on them herb. Wait till I bring on from Orange Hill. Yes, Monday for me a pin.
That's a piece.
All over. Look how the road them nice, man. It's a toll road. And what is the toll? What is the toll cost? Like $1.60? $160?
It's $1.
It's $1.
But this one it's $1. And you pay 2 tolls to get to Kingston. You pay $1 out here and you'll pay $5 at the next one. $6 in total can get to Kingston on the toll.
Really?
Yes, man.
And you could have taken this if you wanted to. All the way.
All the way.
And you would cut the time in half. 2000? It's called the Highway 2000? I see.
Chubby, one piece of weed. None about it. Right up. Good.
No, I'm good. Yes. Highway 2000.
Yeah, it's toll, you know.
They say they give Jamaica the tour. They give them back to Jamaica after 30 years. After 30 years, they give China give them what they.
I know, and still not belong to it.
No, after 30 years, they turn it over. They only
Thank you. They do?
They keep it for 30 years.
Oh.
And then after the 30 years, they hand it over to Jamaica. They make like their money. It's like a 30-year warning.
Mineral Heights. What's the Mineral Heights? Like rivers?
Clarendon.
Clarendon with it?
Yeah, man, it's not Clarendon.
Where is it, man? Then me up in the nearby. I'm me up in the man, son. Where is it to me, man?
I said you will take back on the tour now.
Wow.
So
Oh, so
if you
did drive, you'd drive through the city then. Wow, Virgin, Clarendon. People. Oh man, Jamaica is so beautiful, bro. Jamaica is so beautiful, bro. I mean, you guys are blessed, man. Look at that. I went to Cape Town and it's like this. I went to Africa, but look at this. I don't see nowhere in Africa where it look like this. You see me? And I mean, and it's about, oh man, Jamaica is represent. You know, people, no man, we have to start to the business. Come on. Hey, people cry when them see them video. Them crying up. Them go to bed and wake up 4 o'clock. People watch my video from never man. I come down, come see me. When I go get them from the airport, from when I come down, come stay with me. And some elders are bringing that mountain. Part of this movement is to bring the elders them in safely. Because them afraid to come through. So they will make a place where I mean, look on Clarendon, man. Humility. I remember when I was in Jamaica, it's all about humbling, because the sun will make you know. yo, the sun and God is one, you know. A jackfruit. Humble today, the sun and God is one. The sun say, I'm humble, you know, my yo. So that's why in Jamaica there's no fast movements.
All year round, this weather never changes. You get a little raining, expected. You get a little cold, that's expected. But this weather always around.
Wow. You know what's going to make this journey good? And what makes you happy in your life?
It makes me happy.
Yeah.
You know, simple things in life. My daughter, my little daughter,
How old your daughter again, sir?
14 months.
14 months?
Yeah.
That's what. Oh!
Yeah.
Congratulations, brethren.
man.
So we're gonna get this year?
Yeah, man, you can see, man. Some here, you know.
Some, you know, it's enough people gonna send your clothes for the baby. Cause you want them to the baby. You know? We never know, say.
Yeah, man, she's sweet, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, she's sweet. She, you know, she inspired me.
Yes.
You know, she made me want me better. So, you know, just her smile makes me happy. Honestly.
Wow. Oh man, I forgot to see her, man. I forgot to see her. Shit. I have a daughter, you know, she's 12. And I leave for a month and a half and mixed feelings, you know, that they have to go up on the work, you know, and she knows that this is what I love to do and the people that want me to do it but you know, she's nice, you know, them get to a certain age where they're nice, but you know, you have other kids?
Yes.
How many others?
I have 3 boys.
Age?
14, 10, 5.
And them doing good in school?
Yeah, man, them doing good in school.
That's why I want to meet with the family, you know, because the people them fall in love with people's family. And then, you know, don't feel like family to them. So it's like when them come out, them are going to call and say, what you want for the beer, baby? Enough of them want me to send down barrel for the people of them, so no, I can't handle it. So what's going to happen is people on the channel are going to fall in love with, them are going to feel like, say, you are them family. So when them come down, them are going to say, Ayan, so I have some stuff for the baby, I'm going to bring it. And no matter what they do, them until they come feet, you know. And so the woman them stay up abroad, you know, them just want somebody for love. Cause more time in Jamaica, it's set away where I keep repeating myself more time, but the family love. So I consider myself blessed because the love is there. So this is PNP Central and something. And you know, say, we not too mind the heat, you know, because where we come from New York, when it's humid, roll it down. When it's humid in New York, man, it's rough.
It's rough, man.
You know it, right?
In New York when in a middle summer, man, I mean, I tell you, oh my God, man. Every day I want to go home, yard with it there. Yeah, man, because I think he know where you go. So we know where you go. Yeah, man, we love everywhere, make glad for the opportunity, yes. No, blessed for the opportunity, but no place like me, no place like that place at all. Mother try to get me today. Now work out. Love me hard. Love me hard. Anything we can make today, and myself we can make it out or something. I tell you. Just have to just put you know, all into where you are. No place like me, brother.
Well, I'm going to tell you, Chubby, you get some stars, you know. Now take time with your star, them, you know, General.
Yes, that move.
Just yeah.
Yeah, man. But we know say, we just know say, we miss him. Cost me off.
We decided to not call him back here. But then he just pop up back and say, yo, daddy.
But that
Straight car.
straight car.
We always have to interact our phone everywhere. We always do everywhere have it the same way.
I mean, when I brought myself into the, you see the phone sitting there, Chubby, to dip on my phone, just constantly dip on my phone and I miss out by everything. I just broke myself, Franny. You know, broke myself. I just can't always, you know, I won't love to communicate, correspond, brother.
Yeah. Oh, good. Boom. Casada, shot, right? Yeah. I'm telling you, just so I know. Chubby get a peanut and then get a guitar. But when you gotta take 1 minute to get them. Stop right there, so slow down. Hello, nice lady. How you doing? Come here, come here, come here. Take your time, Chubby. Make me talk.
You're laughing at me.
How you doing? Me not laugh at you, me I laugh with you. Me love your teeth and you look beautiful. Where you come from? St. James? Give me one of the things. Where you come from originally?
Scott Bass.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Stay black. Give me one. How much for the peanuts?
Two.
How much for the peanuts?
Cashew.
Cashew?
Yeah.
Give me a bag of cashew and a
We have
peanut.
100 cashew, 200. These are 7, 5, 2, 1.
Just give me a one. Me just want to taste it. So life good for you?
No, sir.
What could you do? What could we do? What could we do to make your life better? What you need money to stack your thing?
Yes,
How long you been selling peanuts?
You know, sir, from I graduated from school,
How many years is that?
20 years.
Give me your name again.
Sandra Knight.
Sandra. The people are gonna love you. You don't even understand what has happened, shake my hand. You don't understand. You global now, no?
Joe.
Oh yes. You know Ryan Flats, Rascarel.
Yeah, man.
You know Rascarel?
No, we know right flat. We don't know.
Cultural yard. You know Natel, Rascarel, the man who do the reggae show, man. The man do Ryan Flats. And the people, and so now we are going to Chorus. We're not too far from Mandeville, right?
Yeah, future now, they can quote everyone.
When I live, so I'm not really living in a matrix, and I live in a life. Look how beautiful, man. Jamaica, my favorite fruit is in the world. Yeah? You don't mind me record your fruits, then? You don't mind me record them? You know how we can. Wow, beautiful. Love it. See the Jamaica. Nice, so awesome. Nice. Yes, my lady. Oh, you know, say that one them one. Why you take that one there down? You know, say me then near that one there. Yeah, man. Yes, King. I mother. You look like a real roots man, you know. Oh, you saw your man your roots. Oh, you are your father? Yeah. This is the spirit now, man. Stay focused and get help with your mother. Give thanks, you say. I'm telling you, life first over money. You hear me say?
Yeah.
Don't stop, sister. We love you, man. Take care. Yes, man. See there, Jamaica Good Life.
Stop. I want to take your hand them. I want to take your hand them. Take your hand them. Feeble.
A foreigner, I know.
Foreigner.
Foreigner.
No, take your hand them.
you're not sure like we are all.
A foreigner.
Yeah. Yo, you don't see what we change here, man. What kind of you to left out me do?
So we are going to left and out me do. Hey, yo, brother.
Melrose. So people were in Manchester right now, and we go to Melrose. Mile Gully, this is how we go now. It's Mile Gully. Yeah, you go Mile Gully first, then you go up top. I'm gonna have it on my GPS. I have the longitude, latitude. It take you right there. Way up top. Bush, you know? Quiet. So Chubby, How does my place compare to your place? Like, how does Norway compare to your neighborhood?
It's a close-knit community.
It's similar?